If you've been noticing that the edge panels on your Samsung Galaxy M17e 5G keep popping up while you're using your phone, you might want to turn them off for a smoother experience. It's a quick setting change and you don't need any technical knowledge to do it. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. You can find it either on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Display. This section controls many of your screen-related features like brightness, screen timeout, and navigation settings. Now, scroll down carefully until you see an option called Edge Panels. On some Samsung devices, it may be inside a sub-menu called Edge Screen, but the idea is the same. Tap on it to open the settings page for Edge Panels. At the top of the screen, you'll see a toggle switch. Simply tap the switch to turn Edge Panels off. Once you do this, the switch will change position and become inactive, confirming that the feature is disabled. Immediately, the thin translucent handle on the side of your screen will disappear. This means you will no longer get the sliding shortcut menu when swiping from the edge, which helps prevent accidental openings while gaming, watching videos, or scrolling through apps. If you ever want to bring it back, just follow the same steps and toggle it on again. In just a few taps, your phone becomes a bit more distraction-free and easier to navigate, especially if you prefer a cleaner, simpler screen layout while using your Samsung Galaxy M17e 5G.